Hey guys, Lamonster here at Lamonster Garage, and we're just going to do a quick video to show how to take your pegs off, whether it's a driver or a passenger. They both use the same type of hardware. The main thing is they are Loctite in stainless bolt into a brass bushing that's got two little ears on it. If you don't put heat to them, they will round out, strip out, bad things happen. So anyway, we're getting ready to do one to change out a peg to one of our peg adapters here. So I thought, you know what, this would be a good time to shoot a video that will work with all of them. So anytime you go to lamonstergarage.com, you go to one of our peg adapter installs, we'll have this little video with it. So down and dirty, basically you're going to have 5mm. You got a 5mm here, 5mm here. And we're going to go ahead and put some heat on it. These little benzomatics are great little torches. You could use propane, whatever you want, but it does need a decent amount of heat on it. So I like to give it about 30 seconds per bolt. Come over here, do the same thing. And you'll be able to tell, you know, if it's binding on you or not. If it starts to bind, back off and put some more heat to it. All right, let's try that. So we're going to hold one side and crank the other side. Okay, this one's going. Let's see if I can get. Now see that one. That one's going to need more heat. I can tell already. Okay, I got enough on that. I'll go ahead and put some more heat to it. When we first started doing this, man, we didn't know that they were Loctited in. We'd strip out heads and you have to drill them out, and it was just a mess. But that's really the hardest part of this install. Let's see here. Okay, that one's coming out. There we go. What's keeping that from spinning now is those two little tabs I told you about on the brass bushing. I'll show you in a minute. If I can show you without burning myself. That one's out. It's gonna be hot, so put that out there. Whoop. Okay, like this. I'm doing this for the sake of the video and time, but let's see, that's loose enough. I can get my other 5 here. Key handle, and just go ahead and back it out. All right. hot. So this is what you got here. You got a little rubber bushing, and then this is I'll push this through, let you see it. And this is your brass bushing that you want to get rid of. There you are. So it's got these little tabs on it. That's what holds it in. But it holds it into these. If you look right here, you got these two little locking mechanisms. That's what holds it. Well, these will shear off if you're not careful. So anyway, that's how to do it. We do it all the time. This is how we do it at Lamonster Garage. So if you have any questions, you can call the shop or just go to lamonstergarage.com and contact us. Thanks.